In this video, I will be showing you how to use the color picker in Canva. Let's get started. First, I click on the canvas to select it. Up at the top toolbar, I click on the background color icon. On the left-hand panel, I click the plus icon to add a new color. This opens up the custom color picker tool. I'll start by using the bottom slider to choose a base hue. As I move the slider, you can see the canvas update instantly. I'm moving from reds into oranges and yellows. This is the best way to browse through every possible color category. Now we're moving into the greens and teals. Whether you need something earthy or bright and neon, you can find it right here. As I keep moving the slider, we transition through the blues and into the purples. This slider gives you total control over the entire spectrum. I'll keep going until I reach the pinks and magentas. Once I've found a hue I like, I can use the large square above the slider to fine-tune the shade. By moving the selector circle around, I can make the color more muted, brighter, or darker. I'm looking for a specific tone, so I'll drag the picker around the square to see how the saturation and brightness change the look of the design. I'll take a moment here to find the exact shade that works best. Finding the perfect tone makes a huge difference in the final look of your project. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you master the Canva color picker.